Hey Matchmakers, we're excited to announce our new feature that allows you to automatically export and import your lineups to other clubs that are using our software. So to do this, it's very simple. You go to your matches, and in this case, if we're a visiting team, I'm going to go into my setup here. I'm going to set my teams. Once I'm ready to send this to the club that we're going to be visiting, we just click Send to Versus Club. We'll get a dialog here, which you should be familiar with if you send your team list to other clubs. The new function in here is automatic if a team is linked. And we just click Send Now. And we're done with that. So as the home team, in this case, my sample Shasta club, we go to our lineup for the home team, and we'll get prompted right away saying that the visiting team sent us a new lineup. And we can just click Yes, Add, Update Lineup. If as the home team or as the visiting team, if you send an updated lineup, the home team will get this message again saying that, hey, you've made a change. You want to import that again. So in most cases, you always want to say yes. All right, and just like that, we've got our teams in here, exactly the way that they've put them in there. Now we can move them around. Say if we don't want, so we want this team to be team 2, we can go here and we can select 2. And then now that's team 2, and move this guy up to team 1. And that's it. That's all you have to do. If for some reason you want to re-import it, you can just click here to import again, and it'll re-import it. You can always go here too and see history of various sends and acceptance. So if for some reason your team that you're playing isn't coming up as linked, if you go over to clubs and you click on the club, okay, you can check in here under linked lineup to make sure that the various clubs are linked. Okay, so you just go to that, you say that's the club that I want, Gold Country Match Club, and you hit save, and then now that club is linked. And you'll see here on the list here, there's a little green link symbol saying that club is linked. And that's all you have to do. So now when you go in here a second time, it'll make some comparisons to your data versus their data. And if there's an update, like in this case, the website address changed slightly, their lineage has changed. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to accept those changes. Click Apply Changes. Now I've got all the updated information directly from the club as opposed to what I happen to type in there. And that's it. All right, if you've got any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out to us. All right. Happy bowling.